podcast, Radio and Stuff.
Welcome to another beautiful episode. We podcast Radio and Stuff, where we always are just having a good time with our guests. It's another beautiful day. Some people just love to watch it live when we premiere every Sunday at 9 o'clock. But because it's a podcast, we bugela noma inini. But the most important thing is to subscribe and also to share this podcast as wide as possible. I always forget to introduce myself.
Yeah, well, yes, it's podcast Radio and Stuff, PRS Sibuyile. Quite excited today, Ntokozo, ngoba sikhuluma nge-radio. Into esithandayo.
And we've got a DJ.
We have a DJ. I would like to start first with the fact that he's a radio enthusiast because he loves radio.
Okay.
Then he's a radio presenter. He's a DJ, club DJ. He's a presenter. So he's a lot of things.
A TV presenter.
Yes.
Well, mina ngithanda ukuthi DJ.
Thanda to DJ.
Yeah, because I listen a lot to ama mixtape akhe. I think I've heard his mixes on almost every radio station.
In fact, umbuzo uthi yiphi radio station angadlali kuyona. We have Dala Matifana. Welcome, my good sir. Welcome. Good, my guy.
No, ngiyaphila.
We introduce kanjani wena introduce uthi bantu wenzani?
I'm doing everything.
You are a jack of all trades.
Yes, I'm doing everything.
And a master of all.
Yeah, ne?
Oh, okay, wonderful. Yeah, you are a DJ, and I've heard you playing some nice old school music. Kanti umncane mangikubuka mase ngiyathuka.
Yeah, ne? Ngimncane mfethu kakhulu. Uyangibona nje. Ukuthi ke umusic ngiyawazi nanokuthi into engikhule vele kuyinto engifuna ibe kumina ngaphakathi yabo. Angikaze ngacabanga ngenze enye into because ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngisho ekhaya bebenako ukubuza ukuthi lungelo ufuna kuba yini masumdala yabo ngilo ngisho ukuthi radio DJ noma futhi umsakazi. So ilo nto yayikhona akukho kunye ngangaba nako to the point whereby ngathi meyabe ngiqeda isikole umama wathi ngiyofundelani ke manje. Then ngamtshela ukuthi njoba ngangihlezi ngisho akukho kunye radio no music.
Okay.
So from then into njenga futhi ngoba ne radio ngayiqala from grade 7 2009.
Wow.
Grade 7?
Yes.
Uqala radio?
Yes.
How did that happen? Grade 7?
Okay, angiqale nje ekuqaleni ekhaya uLungelo Nzimande, right?
Okay.
So le ladlala Matifana ngalithola ngezimo ezithile. So ngagcina sengumatifana. Shuthi back in 2009 I was doing grade 7. Ngithanda radio njengoba kade ngishilo from ubumncane bami. So I was a regular listener to Inanda FM.
Okay.
Ngilalela kakhulu ishow ya T-Cool.
Oh yes.
So
the T-Junction.
Yes, the T-Junction.
He was my good friend.
So meyabe ngilalela kakhulu ishow yakhe uT-Cool azanginotice naye ukuthi lo mfana uhleze lalela uLungelo Nzimande eMzinto. Can you imagine ngisuke eMzinto ngiyenanda. uLungelo Nzimande eMzinto. So mase yangibuza ukuthi off air angifonela ngibuza ukuthi kahle ufuna ukuba yini because ngiyakubona ukuthi une interest kwi radio. Amtshela ukuthi no yonke engiyifunayo ayikho enye futhi engiyifunayo. So masathi yazi ngizokunikeza opportunity ukuthi ufike la kwishow yami uzosakaza. Ngidlalisa yena yabo. Then athi mesho kanjalo avala ifone mina ngitshela uma straight ngithi ma ngiyahamba manje ngiye eThekwini ngiyosakaza. Uyosakaza phi? Ngiyosakaza kwiNanda FM. Okay, sibuye ke simfonele kumzali sekukhona umzali mina ke sikhuluma ukuthi I know mase athi sikhuluma I know because ngiyayibona ingane yakho ukuthi iyayithanda radio. Ngizoyenza ukuthi mekuvalwe ikole each and every time mekuvalwe ikole ize la kwishow izobe co-host yami. Then that's how I got into Inanda FM. Nginaye kwi drive show. Radio ngayifundiswa kakhulu because ngangiyithanda but ngingayazi.
Sure.
Ngayifundiswa kakhulu yena uVictor Rose Jr. no Thulani Zondi because ibona abantu abangifundisa kakhulu i-radio ke ngoba no Victor Rose Jr. nozwangiqamba igama ukuthi ngu DJ Lungster.
Okay.
Unfortunately ngathi mengabe kuhamba isikhathi ngabona ukuthi no ukhona uLungster kwi-Rhythm City and baningi oLungster engibazi angikwazi ukuthi cause la ngifuna ukuhamba la sekuyimini angikwazi ukuthi ngihambe ngegama lomunye umuntu I had to find elinye igama fortunately enough udlala Matifana wavela ngoba ke uMatifana yena usukela ku ngangibuka khuli bold ngisakhula bold and beautiful there was Stefani lapha ya ugogo lo so ngangimthanda to a point where abantu abagcina sebengibiza ngoStefan so uyalazi lo ishiye baloke belishintsha igama
uStefan kwakuyindoda ne
ugogo lo nene lezimhlobo so ngangikhonza kakhulu yena maseke kwathiwa no ngoba uyamthanda lo muntu wena kuStefan so kwaloke shintsha Steve yabo Matifane
mina ngithanda uTaylor
ngathi
mina ngithanda uBrooke what Brooke why days ne yes why days Brooke
yeah why days yes
ngoba nawe wabathanda ngobesilisa okay so that's how you became Udlala Matifana
so that's how I became Udlala Matifana but we T Junction ngangi DJ Lungster banginikeza ithuba from grade 7 kuthi mekuvalwe ikole ngihambe ngenande FM ngiyo observer ngiphinde futhi bangifaka emoyeni because ngiyakhumbula ke lelanga bake bangifaka nano Siyaseme ngiqhubeka nje ngi-observe ukuthi radio isebenza kanjani mengiqeda ke kwinande FM ngaqeda isikole so ngisemzinto inande FM la eThekwini I had to move from umzinto to la eThekwini mengifika la eThekwini ngibona ukuthi yazi ngisafuna lapha ukuya ukuqhubeka ne-radio because ngisayithanda sengiqedile nesikole no Victor Rose loke ngigqugquzela ukuthi ihambe kwinande FM sebeyakwazi laba bantu you need to get in there sebeyakwazi but nginako lokho ukuthi ngiyasaba because ngikhule nginokuthi abantu bathi wena uthanda i-radio kodwa manje ukhulumela phasi kanje and unamahloni yabo kodwa nginakuthi mewukuthi angisangeni ke ngokusakaza at least ngibu-producer or anything but I wanna be on radio okay fast forward 2014 if not 2015 ngangena kwenye online radio kwathiwa Ian Touch Radio I was doing a midday show weekdays 12 to 3 I think ngayenza 3 months ngaxoshwa
waxoshwa
yes ngaxoshwa
what did you do
nothing
okay
no there's no such thing there's no such awukwazi ukuxoshwa ungenzanga lutho
okay shithi ngenza iphutha
wenzani
ngisho ngenza iphutha okay ngase sengiyiphilisa ngoku-DJ uku-DJ akungilethela imali
udlala eklabini
yes ngilethela imali yangempela futhi not ukuthi imadlana yabo so I got a gig emzinto isiteshi sasizokwenza something ePantown ukuthi siye ebantwini siyovela ebantwini then on Wednesday nge-weekend kuthiwa abasakazi be-Inside Radio kufanele babe khona lapho then on Wednesday ngatexta umphathi ngamtshela ukuthi I cannot make it to
event stage
ngoba ngiyosebenza kanjani uyazi vele yabo uyazi umuntu ngihlezi nginawo uyazi ngisebenza kanjani okay fine athi okay mase ngiyabona ukuthi no uyazi ukumbhalela kwanele let me call him ngimfonele ngimtshela ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukuba khona ngoba kanje sivumelane no angangivumela athi hayi okay ngitshela ukuthi hayi no okay ngiyahamba Saturday ngihambe ngemzinto ngiyodlala isiteshi sambe ngibone bepostile ku-busy then Sunday afternoon I was removed group yomsakazi
so that's how you were fired ngokukhishwa egroupini
yes because ababengekho abanye ngezwa nabo sebesho ukuthi bakhishiwe yeah
so no vele ungana contract
no ngangena contract
typical style of thing it's radio ukhishwe egroupini ufunda kwezakho ukuthi ijumpile
and I think umuntu ongekeredweni uyathuka ukuthi awusuxoshiwe njalo ngokukhishwe egroupini that's how it is with community you said it was an online radio station but it was not well established so there are no contracts assigned in most cases which will utshele kuthiwa wenjani show
yeah out.
Nawe ukuthi le interview ngaki-air uzobona ukuthi keep grouping.
So mengiphuma ePortchefstroom bang approach eRadio Sunny South ukuthi they want me to be a contributor Midday Show 12 to 3 because bawazwile amanye ama features adengenawo ku-ENTouch. Ngivume ngisebenze nabo I think ngaba nje ngasebenza nabo for 3 years. Ngasebenza ke up until ngibona ukuthi hayi ngikhathele ke manje. Ngikhathele ukucontribute kule show. Then I joined another online radio station, Life FM. Petro Mlu. Ngicatsi namazi Mlu Donqap.
Yes.
Yini ama call?
I know.
Divine Touch. Divine Touch. Yes. Sebenzile kwiNanda FM, sebenza kwintokozo FM, sebenzile nje ama community radio. Ngisebenza kuyona doing ama weekend show because I'm a DJ, so babekholele ekutheni ngizokwazi ukwenza ama dance shows. Ngiyenze khona ngithi mase ngikhona mase ngiya-approachwa intokozo FM ukuthi angifike ngizokwenza ama dance shows ayo ngawenza mhlambe for 2 months, then they offered me a drive show.
Lo yenza manje?
Yeah, for the second time.
So you should, currently when you drive?
Yes. Drive.
Okay, Ntokozo FM.
Yes.
Okay. It's a good journey. You have tasted many radio stations from Inanda FM. So you have tasted EFM. You have also tasted E-Online Radio.
Yes.
As a radio presenter. As Untobe kushilo ukuthi you are a radio enthusiast. You love your radio. You uyakhuluma kakhulu nge-radio. What are some of the biggest lessons that you learned from these different radio stations osebenza kuwona?
Kuningi engikufundile from lama online radio nama community radio sengibe nawo, especially when it comes to ukuba umsakazi. Ukuzazi nje wena umsakazi, indlela obiyona mengabe usemoyeni, indlela o-approacha ngayo umlaleli, nendlela nje yokucommunicate nomlaleli. Kungafani nokuthi ukhuluma nje nabangani bakho. Yes, abangani bakho, but you have to treat them ngale ndlela yabo ukuthi bangabani.
One of the reasons why you are given a show by a radio station is to grow a show.
Yes.
So if njengoba Ntokozo FM trusting a drive, you are given a platform, but also kufanele ukhulisa show. So how do you grow a show if you are given a show ezodlala?
I do me. Mengifika kwi-drive Ntokozo FM, angifunanga ukuzenza uchat. Angifunanga ukuthi ngizenze le commotion. Ngafuna nje ukuthi kube mina. Kube ukuthi bayangi accept abalaleli nginje, noma mhlambe nabo abaphathi babona ukuthi yaza isebenzi asiyeke. Ngoba like ngijoba ngishile eqaleni ngiyena umuntu ophaphile, yabo. Ngisho emoyeni angena lo msakazo ozokhuluma mase yahleka singeke isidingo, yabo.
Kuze singeke isidingo.
Mhlambe nawe asikho isidingo lokudla.
So
ngishanje irate simple while ngiyimini, yabo. Angisho ukuthi ngoba nako ngiphasi ke manje ayikho into khona izinto ezongihlula, ngazi ukuthi I'm a radio person and ngizoyenza radio. Yes.
So mabukene emoyeni njoba nje usho ukuthi umuntu ophansi. But mawusakaza awukhulumi ngalelizwe ukhuluma ngalo njengamanje.
Sure.
You sound different mawusakaza. So how does that work? Unezwi lokusakaza, unezwi lokuxoxa. How do you adjust ukuthi njengamanje sesakaza njengamanje ngiyasakaza?
I think kuyazenzakalela because ngikuplan.
Okay.
And angengiqamba amanga ngiyena lo muntu ekuthiwa une radio voice. Yabo labantu ekuthiwa bana radio voice. Yes, on Ntobe.
No. NjengoNtokozo.
Laba nje okwazi ukuthi mesixoxa off air uyazi ukuthi awukanti ukhuluma nje, yabo mengabe se on air ukhuluma ngenye indlela. Mina ngikhuluma indlela eyodwa, but angazi kwenzakalani mase ngene emoyeni iyashintsha but anginayo radio voice because le voice engikhuluma ngayo njengamanje i-voice abantu abaningi abangazi ngayo noma mhlambe ungangazi ngayo but you can tell mengabe usongizwe ukuthi yazi uma tifana Ntokozo FM le yabo so
maybe projection will be slightly different and your diction but the voice will remain your voice.
Then what you know kunabalaleli angeke ngithi abantu be radio abalaleli who just believe ukuthi no yabona ukuze wenze i-drive yabo ufanele uphaphe kumele ugijime kumele isikuze. How do you deal with those type of comments especially from abalaleli not from umuntu we-radio?
Ngiyakhumbula ngiqala ukuthi babesho njalo abantu ukuthi uzenza kanjani i-drive even uma wengibuza ukuthi ungena kanjani Ntokozo FM futhi ngathi ngifika unyaka oqala yangenza ngahlukanisa unyaka. From then nje lo ngafika mina ohlukanisa unyaka.
Oh nice.
So uma abuze ukuthi ngithi ngizoyabohlukanisa unyaka ngibuza ukuthi kodwa lungelo uzohlukanisa kanjani unyaka nje ubuphathi kanje. Ngithi mina angazi kodwa ngizobona.
And you understand man isoro phazamisa uma indala sabuze lo mbuzo ingoba engqondweni yakhe Kansas City, Mandla Balakwani, Linda Sbi, Sipho Sqemeza. You know abantu basumabehlukanisa unyaka basuke bememeza bathi mangabe bethi iphi price stand so there's a price stand njengamanje kodwa ayidingi price
hype khona.
So ngasuka endlini ngiyayitshela ukuthi ngohlukanisa unyaka but anginawo lamatemo oqeda ukwasho njengamanje. Iphi price stand ya shunqa kwenzeka ukuthi nokuthi anginazo zonke lezo zinto. But ngiprepare ukuthi ngizoyenza le show. Shuthi ke alalela uma from 11 to 12. Mase mhlambe ngathi sengidlala unumber 4 mase angifonele kudlala ingoma time now bengingakuthemba don't wanna lie but this is it. Yona lento engicabanga ukuthi abaphathi bakho bakukhethele yona ukuthi uyenze lapho. Yona lento yenza. So senginaleyo umuntu ukuthi uma uthi ngiyenza kahle obvious nakomunye umuntu olalele uzwe ukuthi ngiyenza kahle. So ngaphushela ukutheni nje mase sengenza i-countdown as much as ngiyiphasi but ayifike ngale yandlela kumuntu olalele ekhaya. So kwabalula kanjalo. Back to your questions, i-drive bekukhona lokho ukuthi bathi i-drive yomuntu ophaphile kufanele ngibe ne-energy but ngibatshela ukuthi when I do me and ngibuyela kakhulu naku Kingsfish but angizenzi yena. Ngiyambona ukuthi upholile but ushaya red emnandi for me. Yabo so ngibona ku right ukuthi yazini because vele ayikho into engayenza futhi ayikho into engayishintsha.
This is dala.
This is dala.
And uyayithanda red. Manje sengithole opportunity. Angisebenzisa i-opportunity abantu bazi lento engiyiyona because ngicabanga ukuthi ukuyishintsha nokuyifaka into engeke ngihlale nayo ingunaphakade kuzohamba khambe ingihlula long the way. Kanti mengabe ngiyiveza nginje mekuthi manje iGagas li-approacha lo dlala elimbone kwintokozo FM. Mekuthi ukhozi li-approacha lo dlala elimbone kwintokozo FM.
So do you have a producer on your show or self-produced as producer Lawan?
I do everything by myself.
Okay, so you produce your own show and you compile your own music. Which is normal with community radio bengibuza but mhlambe phela Ntokozo FM is advanced. So lo ukusebenzela kangakanani wena ezodlala amatifani ukuzenzela yonke into wazi ukuthi uzozihlanganisela i-content uzophinde futhi uzihlanganisela music ozodlala. Does it work to your advantage?
Yes, yangisiza kakhulu ngoba kwenza ukuthi ngi-understand wonke ama-department e-radio. For instance ukuproducer, ukusakaza, music compiling, sengasho ukuthi ngiyakwenza futhi ngikwenza kahle. Reason why khona isikhathi la Ntokozo FM yake yangisusa kwi-drive yangenza uproducer ye-breakfast show. But still ngayenza kahle as a producer. Chris from Vuma FM wang-approach ukuthi ngibe i-contributor ye-show yakhe for isikhathi impela. Ngayenza kahle futhi nakhona. So kuyangisiza ukuthi
noma athiwa ngisasakazi mengabe unginika opportunity yokuthi ngenze omunye umsebenzi ngenza kangcono maningi ama radio engakhulumi ngawo engivelayo nje behind the scenes futhi ngenze kahle.
Cool. No, thanks Lala. You know, kuningi okunye okwenza engizofisa ukuthi sithinte khona towards the end of our interview, but for now ngoba sesiqalile radio asiqhubeke kuyona.
Sure.
You comment a lot on, we interacted a lot with our content.
Sure.
And not only that, you also update your statuses on Facebook a lot about radio stations. In most cases, ukhuluma ma profiles, abasakazi, the shows that they do, and maybe some will say analyzing their presentation style or commenting on their presentation style. It depends how you want to look at it. What makes you do that?
Uthando le radio ukuquzeleka mengibona uNtobeka enza kahle to indawo abekwe kuyona. Nanokuthi mhlambe mengabe ebona ukuthi khona umuntu omthanda umsebenzi wakhe uzokwazi ukuthi aqhubeke engehlisi, because khona abasakazi umuntu enze kahle mhlambe unyaka oqala then wesibili uthi yabo ishow idropile. Yes. To a point whereby abanye baze bakhishwe kuleso slot kufaka abanye because usedrop akasakwazi ukuphakama. So ngisuke ngenza ukuthi ngoba lento ngiyayithanda mina angimncome nalomuntu khona azobona ukuthi lento ayenzayo yinhle and khona umuntu obukela kuyena as umuntu wered.
I like the fact that you mentioned ukuthi ngimncome lo muntu ngoba that's what I've noticed ukuthi the way you comment, it's always positive. I tried, there was a status was updated, I can't remember what it was about. I commented Ixona, trying to say what's the opposite side of what you were saying, which would have if you answered me, you were going to be forced.
702.
What was it about? I can't remember.
Clement Manyetse.
Yes. Okay, I can't remember I can't remember the context. Yes. But anyway, where I'm going with my topic is, your posts are always positive. Is that intentional? Why do you not share your thoughts about those that are not doing well? Because not everyone on radio is doing a good job.
Ngikhetha ukuba positive because ngifuna ukugqugquzela.
Okay.
Ngifuna abantu bangazi ngale side lokuthi ngiyakwazi ukubona into enhle. Not ukuthi okuba ngiyakubona but ngiyasaba ukukhuluma ngakho.
Okay.
Because ngikwi media now.
Oh, okay.
Yabo, and I'm doing radio. So ngizothi ngithi ngizama ukubeka amabala kanti namba namabala bawabona kumina bangakhulumi ngawo. Yabo. So angasho ukuthi ngiyasaba nginqena ukubeka.
No, I love your honesty.
Yes.
Yeah. But I'll beg it out too for now. Just because we are here, just two. Askale Kukozi, who's bad there?
It's a safe space.
It's a safe space.
I am guys.
Okay, let's go to Metro. Mhlambe kude kunasekhaya bahlangane nawe workshop bakushaye. Metro, who's bad there at Metro?
Yakekho bad ku Metro.
Are you sure?
100%. Kuma-shows engiwalalelayo cha yakekho bad.
Cha phela siya all right around.
Yeah, because with Metro I usually listen to ukuthi ba bad. Angasho ukuthi ba bad. I-breakfast show eMetro ayikho la mina engangiyitshela ukuthi izoba khona mengabe uSebe thatha over. Yabo.
So wena ngokwakho isadinga ukuphushwa more.
Yeah, isadinga ukuphakama but ayikho bad.
What do you think of the show with Somizi?
Ibhedi.
Okay, why do you think it's bad?
Yo, ngiyahluleka nanokuyilalela because I tried it mhlambe 2 or 3 weeks. Then ngabona ukuthi ayenzi sense kumina. Sengikhohlwe nawo ama-features akhona. Yabo, but yeah.
Have you ever tried the one with DJ Cleo on Radio 2000?
Yes. When I had DJ Cleo, ngicasula because it's perfect when it comes to content. But when it comes to him doing ama-links and
the
presentation, it's very buwa manje usengenza ngakhuluma.
I didn't ask the question.
Intokozo sengithe kakhuluma yabona. But yeah, Air Cleo, I love the show. I listen to yona leya show kakhulu. But hey, when it comes to a presentation, it's very bad. Yeah, but music wise, content, yonke into right. Ngiyawathanda ama features akhona and are good.
Yeah. I mean, I agree with you. I'm sorry, I have to say it as well. I've listened to Cleo. I've told you this also. Music, the mixing on point. His guest DJs on point. It's a beautiful show to listen to.
My live sessions.
Yes. Links because he's not a radio person. It's so obvious that he's not a radio person. When we were talking about this, I'm sure probably wanted to unpack it some other time. You said maybe what would help someone who's a radio presenter because DJ Cleo is not a radio person, unfortunately.
I know.
What other shows are worrying you?
Do you listen to talk radio?
Yes, I do.
Which ones in particular?
SAFM 702.
Oh, SAFM and 702.
Yes.
Those two. So what type of a show would you listen to on a talk radio? And it's with talk radio kunama current affairs show. For example, a breakfast show, SAFM is more current affairs. So I go ngama current issues. Then mase kuba nama angayona current affairs magazine show. You know, la ukuthola the interviews are longer, you know, and it's not really something that is current. Which one do you love more?
Usually, nginokuvuka nge-SAFM from 6 to 9. 9 to 12, 702. Then
I love Clement. Love him.
Yeah, ne?
That's another man, by the way.
So?
Okay, now carry on. The way you just said it.
What's your point?
You know, so I'm thinking about your wife now.
Watch out, baby. Here comes Clement.
Yes. So, yeah. Then Masuguti 12 to 3. 12 to 3, I don't normally listen to.
Yeah, well, obviously, you are a roving listener. So, I don't think you'd be listening to one radio station for the whole day. So, because you are a roving listener.
I find it interesting because we are struggling go 12 to 3. We talk, ne? Because I do have a challenge go 12 to 1, not even 12 to 3. Because there's Sakina.
Yes, 12 to 1, 12, which is current affairs.
Yes, yeah. I love Sakina. But then I love Sakina as a radio presenter.
Now, that's one, you see, it sounds good.
I love people. And then there is Mendy Wiener on 702, who does 12 to 1 as well. Mendy is punchy. It's fast. Radio it's very fast. Like she's moving from one story to another. She always says she's trying to fit in everything in 1 hour. She calls it a lunchbox. So she's fitting in everything in 1 hour. Okay. So content wise, I enjoy Mendy Wiener because of the content. But when it comes to presentation, I enjoy Sakina because, you know, if she has the right guest, the questions that she'll be asking. So I always struggle between 12 to 3, 12 and 1, who I'm going to listen to.
No, because it's Corners Sematin.
Yeah, I think we'll have past, same time. 12
past 12.
Yes.
So 30 minutes.
Yes, 100%. So I just found it interesting that you didn't have anyone there because I always think, where am I going now? Because I always listen to current affairs.
Music shows.
Okay.
Then usually ngizama ukhaya mthetho no DJ Sonic on Kakasi FM.
Yeah.
If not, Andy Maqondwana on Kaya.
On Kaya FM, yes. Yeah. Okay. And 3 to 6?
3 to 6.
That's a lineup.
3 to 6. So far, go be Kaya noma I Kakasi FM.
Glenn.
Yes.
Okay.
Planning suka naye
Radio 2000.
Banking besizana ngama mixes.
Oh yes.
Then senginaye ngale
Beside that, i-radio yakhe ngiyayithanda.
That's it there.
Of the airwaves.
Yes.
You must finish it. You know it's one of my favorites, so you must finish it, hey? The teddy bear of the airwaves.
I just want to go back now. Breakfast. So, good breakfast na 12 to 3 signimitile because at the time there's Kulumane Talk.
Sure.
So, what other shows are you enjoying that are not necessarily talk? So, if you're not listening to talk radio, breakfast, who are you listening to? 12 to 3, who are you listening to? 9 to 12.
6 to 9, Felix and Minnie.
Man.
Felix and Minnie, most of the time, I think 80% of my time I spend with Felix and Minnie. Then masekuba uSizwe noSoul.
Okay.
Ngiyabathanda because bahlakaniphile kuba u2 and basazi story sabo. Their breakfast show is more like a talk.
Yeah.
Like no music ukhona in between. And mekukuthi akuyena Felix no Minnie, akuyena uSizwe kube uAnele. If not Anele, mase ngihamba ke ngiye kwi-Youth Endala, Radio 2000.
DJ Sbuda.
DJ Sbu.
Yeah. I just want to go to where you started with Felix and Minnie, because I listen to them as well. My favorites, I mean, everyone knows that I love Anele, so I cannot not listen to Anele. I wouldn't be able to breathe. But if I change, so I do listen to Felix and Minnie a lot as well. I just feel like since season Ishinchile, I'm not sure if I've said this before, I feel like since season Ishinchile, the new season,
Yes.
they've upped the ante in terms of content.
Yes.
I feel like Ishoya this season, the latest season, if you compare it with last season, it's completely, it might have the same features, but content-wise, it's different.
Yes.
Even the approach, I feel like it slaps differently.
Yeah.
Is it just my imagination or you feeling the same?
I think Igagasi, they are more aggressive with presence yabo with social media, and I think that's aggressiveness ikwenza ucabange kanjalo. That's me. Yeah.
So you're saying maybe content has not improved?
Indlela i-content yabo on our face ngayo, which is good.
Oh yeah.
Indlela i-content yabo on our face ngayo as a station ikwenza ucabange ngale ndlela ucabanga ngayo. That's my view.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's an interesting view. It is an interesting view.
Yes.
I still feel like in terms of content though, even if ulalele Radweni, the way that the presentation, Felix himself as a presenter, I just feel like he is at his prime.
Yeah.
Especially this season.
Yeah.
I feel like I've never had Felix I've never heard him like that. I just feel like he's he's doing another radio with Minnie.
Yeah.
But Dogozo might have a point. 9 to 12?
9 to 12 obviously here in KZN. Ngiyasitracklisha 9 to 12. But uJesinta on Voma FM.
Okay.
On Jeps. Carol Ofori on East Coast. Yeah, that's my 9 to 12. Oh, and T-Boss.
Nkaya, sure.
Oh, I love T-Boss.
He is a legend.
And he's been doing that show, hey?
Yeah.
He's been doing that show.
I'm saying this is cool and it's good.
Yeah.
I started listening to T-Boss SW Metro. He was doing the night show.
Same here.
Yeah, 9, I think it was 9 to 12 if I'm not mistaken. I was saying kakhulu nje ukuthi wenza grade 7 ngo-2009. Ngithukile ne. Anyways, angiyiso se-trauma yami. So, I used to listen to T-Boss Mokweli a lot. And I even remember his last show at Metro. I can remember it. And inhliziyo yami was so broken. Ukuthi he's leaving Metro.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
I have a question. What you just said, you used to listen to his show, his last show. Basakaza sebephumile eRadweni abangekho eRadweni. Yimuphi umsakazo wakuphula inhliziyo kuphuma kwakhe?
Oh man. Chili M.
Ah, man.
Chili M.
The late Chili M.
Kwangiphula inhliziyo. Loya muntu wenendlela yakhe yokwenza i-radio. Akuthatha kubeke. Ngiphelele ukuchaza ngazi ngingathini ngayo.
Yeah.
Ngendlela wenza i-radio emnandi ngayo. He was doing a very, very good radio. So, ukuphuma kwakhe, ukushiya nje. Engakashoni ukuthi nje uyashiya
Ngiyakuthola.
kwakunalo ukuthi
Yeah. I get you.
For me, Fresh, I would bring back Fresh any day. I don't think if you long as it's Rojiwe, and you'll be surprised with the next one, Eric Mieni.
Oh yes, on SAFM.
Oh, the SAFM.
Yes. I always ask myself, where is Eric Mieni?
Oh my gosh, I loved Eric Mieni.
Yes.
He was hard hitting, raw. He gave it like it is. He was holding no punches.
Do you remember the interview? Eric Mieni, why there is a journalist. I'm trying to connect the dots now. Okay, now I'm gonna begin to confuse things because Lega Faral Hafaji kwaku
Sakina on Metro. I remember
yes. Kwasekufika no
Julius
Malema.
Malema. Yes, I remember
that one was on Metro.
I remember that.
But there's another heated one that I don't forget. Eric Mieni. But anyways, asibuyele Glendo Dali.
Yeah, man, Eric Mieni, if we can bring him back on radio, because I don't know why he left radio.
Yeah.
I used to say when I grew up, I'd be like Eric Mieni. I thought I'll have the balls to tell it like it is. Because wow. Okay, my guys, so what are some of the things that are worrying you or that you'd like us to talk about today? So today we take a different approach. You know, you're leading us on this segment of the show. It's your show. You lead it. Let's go.
When it comes to radio, khuluma mhlambe kakhulu because community radio siqale nje ngawo community radio. The way thina abasakazi esenza ngawo izinto. Njengoba Desha Ntokozo ukuthi usually my community radio we do everything from producing, compiling music and stuff. So uthole ukuthi Matifana uzokwenza i-breakfast show from 6 to 9 acompile music omnandi but angawubheki ukuthi i-radio edit or yini seyadlalela-ke manje i-radio you find ukuthi iy'ngoma ayidlalayo kwi-radio
language
zinenhlamvu and akanandaba akaxolisi yena yonke into i-right yabo uvele ungazi noma mhlampe akezwa yena ukuthi khona inkinga ekhona ku-music noma udlala ingoma ngoba ithandwa uyena and stuff yabo so ilowo nto leyo ngicabanga ukuthi mhlampe ama-community radio angenabo music compiler kumele ayilungise when it comes to music check ukuthi music onjani odlala kwi-radio.
So whilst on that thought, for that, do you blame the radio presenter or do you blame the management? Because if the radio station is allowing me to bring my own music, ngodlala emoyeni, unscrutinized, unaudited, something like that is bound to happen. Or if kuwukuthi nguthatha kwi-computer station but I'm playing it directly from YouTube, angithi from the management there should be people who are listening and checking ukuthi izinto ngizenza right yini. And before I even go on air, I should be trained on certain basics in radio. So who do we blame?
I blame both. I blame management ngokuvumela isimo esinjalo ukuthi senzeke. Nangongayihluphi nje ukuthi mhlambe ba check ukuthi ikhamba kanjani. And also ngiyiblame nami as uMatifana ukuthi obviously njengoba ngikwi-radio ngiyawazi music. So le ngoma engiyidlala ngenzeka ukuthi ngeke ngayizwa before. And manje ngizoyidlala la ngiyibona kahle ukuthi ayiyona i-radio edit. Because ingoma i-radio edit uyayibona ibhaliwe manje ukuthi ayibhalwanga izoncipha kuma minutes. So
Okwayidlala ingoma enenhlamvu emoyeni?
No.
Okwayidlala?
Yes.
I have two.
Yes, I have.
And I'm sure baningi aba. Ayingamabomu exactly. And masiqalisa iphakathi. And you're like, damn, Go, like, flip. What do I do?
Yeah.
Do I cut the song?
Because abanye ke ngibona ukuthi mhlambe mingabe beyidlala banabo ukuthi bayijela ukuthi bafuna ukuphuthumisa ijingle lapho.
Yes, ufake ijingle khona izogqibeka.
Yes.
It's always difficult ukuthi ngiyenze njani. So I'm playing a devil's advocate. That's why I was asking that question. I'm playing a devil's advocate. Ukuthi ngiyenze njani? Ngiyanqamula le ngoma because it was not intentional, especially mawukuthi thina siqale radioweni sasingadlala music esifika nawo. Music wawusuke uloadiwe ku system. Uyawuselect. So assumption ukuthi mawusuke system uclean ukuthi ngodlala. Ifakwe leni ngoma enenhlamba ku system if ukuthi ayidlali ngoma enenhlamba la ekhaya. So mase ngiyiqalile ngidlala ingoma, what do I do? Because khona umuntu oyithandayo le ngoma ngizomirritate ngokwenqamula, but then again inenhlamba. So it's always difficult. So umuntu osuke ekuleyo position eseyiqalile idlala leyo ngoma.
Yeah.
Mina nginako kumxolela based on my own experiences, but I agree with you. We need to do better, especially for those abasakazayo.
Mina ngiye ngadlala ingoma ngisase radioweni from the system, but engayona radio edit, but enganayo inhlamba. But enabantu abafike abakhulumayo phakathi, you understand?
Oh yes, yeah, like music video.
Music video.
Oh yes.
So phakathi kuba nengxoxo, but it was, so I don't know how it's got into the system. Kodwa phakathi kuba nengxoxo, kube ne background music, mayisephindi yaqhubeka futhi.
Phela ungazi uyenze njani leyo ngoma. Like jingle, hoping ukuthi izoqala iqhubeka icule.
But if you know this video, music video, you know ukuthi le ngxoxo vele it's still gonna go on for some time.
Yeah.
Michael Jackson, You Rock My World. There is that part.
So ileyo mhlawumbe engathanda ukuthi as abasakazi bama community radio siyibheke siyilungise because iyasicosta kakhulu stage. And also ukuhlonipha ipage lomsakazi when we have the access to post anything kulona. Because akube kusabhekwa wena umsakazi, but kubhekwa umsakazi ukuthi kwenze njani ngale stage yabo. For instance, thola ukuthi umuntu uzovele abe ne-topic ongayiqondi. Mhlawumbe aze abhale ngamagama amakhulu, topic, usilalela uphi, uhleli nobani. Is that a topic? So
But you know, no guys. No, this trend yokubingelela emaradweni. Not just community radio. It's a zingeni eliphezulu, even in bigger radio stations. I mean, I listen to one big radio station, abantu bamaki register mangabe kuvulwa ishow.
What I'm saying is this. Ukulungela ungakubhala nami ngiyakwenza. Akukho wrong.
Yeah.
But
location, when you don't touch location, yeah.
No, abanye babhala ukuthi ngamagama amakhulu, topic. Mase ngezasi.
Also yena akasho ukuthi feature.
No, yabo.
Because kusuke kuyi feature. Hey, no kwamanye ama radio stations kubizwa ukuthi location. Uyafona nje uthi untokozo la kwaMashu. Ufone ubani la imlazi. Uyabo.
And abalaleli bayithanda. That's what they call. They want to represent Amakasabi. So it's not a wrong feature, but I get you. The way that you position it. Most of it is page the stage. Don't say our topic for the day. Ubandi. Give them down. Okay, sure.
So igona logo champe kufanele bakulungise aba sakazi bama community radio.
But before we point like elandela, because I will forget this. What's the best way? How do you choose a good topic for your show? Ngoba umsakazi awusize mfethu. I think abanye abasakazi they struggle even to come up with good topics.
It's a pity ngoba I point lam lesithathu bekuyilona lelo ukuthi.
Oh, okay, no, okay. Ngikudedele kungene kulona.
Okunye mhlawumbe singawenza ukuthi when it comes to ukhetha ama-topics, asikhetha ama-topic that are relevant to abantu ngaleso sikhathi.
Relevant to abantu or to the show you are doing?
Both to ishow nabantu bashakazela ngaleso sikhathi leso. Because nanokuthi kubalekile sazi ukuthi like mina ngisakaza kwintokozo FM, so ngisakazela umlazi namaphethelo. So kumele ngicabanga ukuthi kakhulu kumele ngikhulume ngezinto ezenzeka around umlazi, ezenzeka eThekwini yabo yonke lento. So
there's something I love mina Dlala, yabo. abalaleli bayathanda ukukhuluma ngezinto ezinothando. You understand?
Sure.
Mawufaka nje topic enomjolo abalaleli bazongena. Manje why fanele ngikhulume ngomjolo nami?
Yeah, umjolo mfethu I believe wonke ama radio shows hayi wonke kodwa amaningi nje anomjolo. Yeah, amanye ama features omjolo.
So is it right ukuthi nami kwi-drive nje ngifuna ukuthi topic yami ngifuna ikhulume ngokujolana ngoba noma nezocansi ngoba manje abantu abayithanda. Is it right?
Akukho wrong.
But it can't be grey.
Ntokozo.
It has to be right or wrong. Because this is a radio station, this is Ntokozo FM.
Yeah,
now we can't all be talking about umjolo.
No, ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngifuna ukusho njalo ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi ekseni usihle no Faith bebekhuluma ngomjolo 9 to 12 bazokhuluma ngomjolo 12 to 3 bakhuluma ngomjolo ngiyafika ntambama ngizokhuluma ngomjolo iyona yonke lento mhlambe ngicathi kumele siyilungu nanokulalelana noma singaselalana nga full 3 hours of the show but ukwazi ukuthi uNtobeko ku breakfast kune feature ethile so mina ku drive mengingena angikwazi ukuthi ukwenza into ecishe ifane nalapho enjo yabo ngicathi kubalekile nje communicate especially mewuthi ngena weekdays nisebenzisane nazi ukuthi nisebenza kanjani.
Okay, so I think my thoughts on the topic, I like it, and I think it's an important one because you find that abasakazi mina my frustration kulena ama topics ukuthi umsakazi i topic ngingayazi qhamukaphi.
Yes.
I topic endize emoyeni uqhamuka sengibuza ukuthiwa ungenze njani uma ngase ukuthi ukhulisa ingane uthola ukuthi ingane akuyona yakho.
Yeah.
Okay.
How did you get there? Why are we talking about that today? So I think it's important for abasakazi to when they think of these topics to give us a background. Give us.
Why are we talking about this today? There's a research that I found. Blah blah blah. Then go ahead and ask your question.
Yeah.
Let it be based on something.
Yeah.
Or I was driving around and I noticed something. Mlazi, this was what and then this is the question that I want to ask.
Sure.
So you want to have some sort of a background, a base for your question. The question cannot just be emoid. Every time I listen to community radio specifically, I always struggle with that. So our topics are coming in, and even when I was younger, when I was doing radio and I was younger, I was guilty of that, but I didn't know better. Now I know better, and so avoid
yeah, and just to add, you know the important thing, if we tabang a topic, you just go and do research.
Yes.
Then you are able to say, according to a researcher who would know what izinto zenzeka kanje, then you throw in your topic. But would I be wrong, Lala, if I say enye yezinto eyenza ukuthi sibe nenkinga yalama topic agcinefana ukuthi siyalalelana kukona ukuthi asilalelana kodwa ngizwa udlala mengabe evule ingcingo enza uhlelo lezothando response enkulu. Now wonke umsakazi uyathanda kuba ne response enkulu in terms of abalaleli. Then mase ngiyabona ukuthi I should nama ngikhulume ngalezinto because of a response. Don't you think ukuthi naloko kunomthelela?
Maybe because ngempela mawuthi ngiyezwa ukuthi ama calls angena kakhulu uNtobeko angena Ntokozo especially mebekhuluma ngothando. Why mina ngizofuna ukukhuluma izinto ezenzeka emphakathini ezingathinta umjolo. Yabo ngizokhuluma ngazo mhlawumbe ngithole only 3 response. Mhlawumbe wena ubuthole 17.
Exactly.
Then enye emcatheni into esilimazayo leyo kuyitshela ukuthi umuntu umlaleli menga engage nawe akekho.
I love it. Bengifuna uye lapho. Yes.
Into esengiyinotisile ngeradio ukuthi ungasebenza full 3 hours ukungena ama-calls not ukuthi abantu bakulalele mina nginako ukuthi ngifike ngenze something kwishow thola ukuthi akekho umuntu wangasekhaya noma mhlawumbe ngizombona endleleni ozokhuluma ngalowo nto noma ozofona but mayabe sengihlangana nabo endleleni ngiye emsebenzini bengibona mhlawumbe umuntu angimisa asho ukuthi hawu Matifana bokhuluma ngokuthi nokuthi uyisiselaphi le yanto le noma mhlawumbe wagcina sizakela umuntu ethi usasiza umuntu othile kodwa akazange aphawu yabo so uJust Ice ungifundise something ku-Radio 2000 ukuthi yes i-radio umlaleli but awukwazi ukuthi umfake nala angangeni khona lokho umfaka umcela you can do your 3-hour full show umlaleli engasho lutho futhi engenandaba lokuthi akasho lutho ekulalele wena ukuthi uthini.
I love that. Just to wrap up the topic, I want to give another tip. Because we were talking about ulalele ishow yes ukuthi umjolo oshisai. I'm not saying umjolo, that's just an example.
Yes.
One of the things that abasakazi especially with community radio esingayizwa kakhulu ukuthi ulalele i-radio station ekuseni ulalele enye radio station, it sounds completely different, it's something different. Then got 9 to 12 it's another radio station, it's like ulalele ma radio stations ahlukene. One of the things that they can do to try and bridge that gap, but ukuthi khona show rather a feature or a topic eshisayo we breakfast, you can build on that. You can even play a clip isuka kuleyo topic but take a different angle on your show that is completely different from what they were talking about, but it can trigger something when you know what, I can take this different approach kule topic abebe khuluma ngayo and play a part of le topic yasekuseni. What that does kukhomisa umlaleli ukuthi la ekhaya siyasebenzisana, it's not a competition, you know, we are building a station, but also ama-shows wethu ayacomplementana ngoba ngiyakwazi ukuthi into kade yenzeka kwi-breakfast ngizoyithatha ngiyiqhubeze ntambama. I think I always enjoy when you listen to radio stations like 947 ECR when they do that, ukuthi into kade khulunywa ngayo bazodlala iclip yomsakazi wasekuseni bese bena bayiqhubeka, and then their approach is slightly different from what maybe even vastly different from the approach of Beta. No, it's your show. Let's go.
Okay, mesisuka lapho mhlambe ukuchecka i-radio yakudala ne-radio yamanje.
Okay.
Because uyabona ukuthi ikhathi ziyashintsha nendlela yokusakaza iyashintsha. For instance mina ngikhula kwakunokuthi umuntu you can tell ukuthi uyasakaza ke manje, but manje uyabona ukuthi sesingaxoxa while we on air. Yabo kanti kudala kwakumele ukuthi mayabe ungena eradweni ugijime kuzwakala ukuthi yabona ke manje sengena udlala amatifana kwasho bacema vuthi amalanga yabo, but now sengingangena emoyeni ngiyikhulumela kanje ukuthi umlaleli uyarelate nento engishoyo and uyangi-understand ukuthi ngisakaza kanjani. Baningi abantu abakhona abashaya nje simple radio but benza into right. King's Fiso njoba ngishilo, uLihlophe from Ukhozi FM, Sizwe Sibiso Mkakasi FM, who else, baningi yabo benza nje i-radio but you can tell ukuthi bayabasakaza, not ukuthi mhlambe baze basheshise noma indlela abasakaza ngayo kuze kukhombise ukuthi hayi no umsakazi ke lo, but uyamuzwa ukuthi umsakazi.
Okay.
Well, I think on that point, I think even kwi-radio yakudala besinabasakazi abahlukahlukene, besinabasakazi who are fast-paced, if I may put it that way, who are fast-paced. Othi mangabe uvula i-microphone kuswakala ukuthi useyasakaza uyagijima. Mase siba nabasakazi who were conversational in their presentation style. Okay, even though now i-radio sekuco-hostwa, but mangakulinganisela besinabasakazi abanjengobheki Msane. I don't think you would know him. Yeah, okay. Ubheki Msane wayenza i-breakfast show yayibizwa ukuthi uvuka ukhanye Africa kwi-Ukhozi FM. I-radio yakhe was very conversational. You understand? And I remember at that particular time masikhuluma ngokuzenzela izinto ukuthi even i-traffic wayeyifunda yena la ekuseni. Then kunabasakazi futhi abagijimayo abanjengomandla Malakwana. Sinabasakazi aba-conversational abanjengo Eddie Zondi. You understand?
Yeah.
Abaxoxayo, very slow paced, very relaxed, but uyamuzwa ukuthi uyi-character. You understand? Because mawusakaza i-character ngeke izikwazi ukusala ngaphandle. Uyamuzwa ukuthi uyi-character, but i-approach yabo ekusakazini ayifani. Ingakho ngithi ke the list I can go on and on and on. I just picked these two for now. But I do get you ukuthi i-radio ayisafani. Phambilini umsakazi ubeka ngene ngeyibika lidlale phambili nje lona kuqala udlala insimbi mase yangena. I'm just remembered now kunobaba ekuthiwa Shedrack Ngema angazi noma wamlalela Shedrack Ngema wakwadlala nakumuzwe insizwa wayeneshwayenza ngomgqibelo mengabe ngena wayebingelela indawo uyabona qala ingena ibika lakhe mase yaqala ke manje abingelela indawo bingelele lapha nakomzimkhulu lapha ngifike endaweni ethile ngithi bopha sayitsheni. It was his style. Yangaleso sikhathi now he was not very fast kwilokhuzane kwi-pace yakhe but i-character I mean I believe ukuthi kubasakazi it will always be important.
No, I'm covered. I think you've covered me.
Yes.
I'm ngivumelana nawe ukuthi abasakazi lezo inhlobo zabasakazi zahlale zikhona. Kodwa njengamanje kubonakala ku more acceptable than even in fact baba prominent. I think that's where the problem was in the past. Ukuthi laba ababe sakaza beba
more conversational
babengabi as prominent sorry, but that's arguably as well because ubheka imsana ibe an example benzi breakfast.
Alex Mthiane is one of those abanjalo.
Tingwenya was a big name, but he was also quite conversational in his approach. So but I think laba ababe nomsindo ababe gijima babe overpower laba ababe khulumela phansi, but njengamanje nalaba aba conversational they are holding their own, and I think it's because i-art ye radio isihlukile ngiyaqala ngoba i-art ye eqaleni it was more about creativity ukuthi how captureisha kanjani umlaleli you know theater of the mind. Njengamanje i-radio is more content based. What is it that I'm giving you umlaleli ufuna ukwazi? Yes, creativity, all of that theaters of the mind still there, but more than anything is content. I think that's what people want is content. So ungafika ugijima, but if you lack with content ngizofika mina ngikhulumele njengodlala ngikushaye ngokuthandwa abalaleli ngoba I'm filled with content. I think that's where it is now. Nowadays, give me content, I'm done. So some people, hence they hire content creators. Some people abakwazi ukusakaza. Sikhulume ngo Somizi earlier on. Angisho thini. But I get some people abakwazi ukusakaza. Sikhulume ngo Somizi earlier on. Because of his experience and lokuhlala kwi-industry, he's got a lot of content, lot of wisdom. So means mamlalele angangaba umsakazi, but mamlalele you will learn something. Hence me, if I was to hire him, I'd hire him as a contributor. Probably he'd hire me because he's way richer than that. I would hire him as a contributor because he's got content, but I am umsakazi. So that's where the problem is nowadays. That's my take on that one. But it's a very interesting point, my good son.
Mase kuzoba mhlambe le abalaleli ukuthi bayakwazi ukuhlukanisa because ngeke ngibone kwi-group yezemsakazo khona i-group ekuthiwa yezemsakazo.
Yes.
Weba ubona ukuthi abantu ba-attack umsakazi noma bakhuluma noma yini ngomsakazi noma nge-radio station not knowing ukuthi ingenaphi noma ingaphasi kwasiphi structure. Khona abantu abanga-understand ukuthi khona i-community radio, khona i-commercial, khona ama-PBS. So uthola ukuthi umuntu nqane kuvela asuka aqhathanise inanda noma khulume nge-Inanda FM then masezofaka ukhozi akhulume ngegagas azofaka ukhozi akhulume ngesinye stage azofaka iVuma FM yabo so kubalekile ukuthi mhlambe akukho wrong vele ukusiqhathanisa mhlambe nathi kuyasikhuthaza lo but sifake endaweni eright wazi futhi nanokuthi uqhathanisa kanjani because khona umuntu ohlule ngisho athi abasasiqhathanisi bakhuluma nje ngemsakazo ubona kodwa ukuthi bayixubile yabo mina athwana nokuthi khona banga-understand ukuthi khona ama-talk radio khona ama-music radio so yonke lonto ngiyacabanga mhlawumbe ukuthi into ekumele sifundisane yona isikhathi sihamba kwe-radio
so hlukana kanjani if ungahlukanisela nje iziphi inhlobo zama-radio stations esinazo and usenzela ama-examples for umuntu ongazi
khona ama-community radio angazi noma ngaqala ngama-online because nawo ngibone ngazi ukuthi akhona and awayibekile phasi kunama-online radio whereby kuyama-radio stations okwazi ukuthi walalele ngedatha kuphela mase kuzoba khona ama-community radio iy'teshi ezisebenzela umphakathi for instance mina kwintokozo FM esemlazo kusho ukuthi itholakala kwi-frequency yayo 101.2 emlazi namaphethelo but you can reach it online mawukuthi ufuna ukuyilalela mhlambe ungekho eThekwini noma kwezinye indawo but it's a community radio iseva umphakathi wasemlazi namaphethelo khona izilomzansi eThekwini ku-98.0 but you can reach izilomzansi outside of Durban bane-app yabo online uyakwazi ukubalalela baseva umphakathi waseThekwini namaphethelo and also iNanda FM njengoba isenanda nje ibhekelela kakhulu iNanda uCathomashu indawo nje around then we move to ama-commercial radio abantu abanjengo East Coast Radio Gagasi FM uVuma FM la KZN oKhaya FM o947 maningi bathi ngizobala nje ambala lawo ke ama-commercial radio and asebenza imali so asebenza imali enza imali usually amaningi la noma amaningi kulawo ngabalila ama-music station meaning mhlambe uzothola ukuthi ngisho indlela umsakazi asakaza ngayo mhlambe kwisho uzothola ukuthi 60% music and 40% song ngenza isibonela ngisho ukuthi njalo mase kuzoba ama-PBS like ukhozi umhlobo wenene
Radio 2000
Radio 2000 yes
can I ask you a question
listen
kumina njengomlaleli mangivula iradio ekseni ngivula uFelix kwiGagasi mhlambe into abayikhulumayo interest then I decide ukuvula Intokozo FM why should I know ukuthi manje sengiyovula i-community radio because mina I'm just pressing the next button because I'm just not interested in this content why should I know ukuthi ayike sengiyaphuma ke manje kwi-commercial sengiya kwi-community as umlaleli
akubalekile ukuthi wazi kodwa futhi kubalekile ukuthi wazi ukuthi khona into ozoyisho mhlawumbe ezofuna ukuqhathanisa lama-radio omabili noma athi usaqhathanisa mhlawumbe ukukhuluma something ezokwenza ukuthi abanye abantu bakubone ukuthi nalento okhuluma ngayo una idea yayo yabo akubalekile vele ukuthi ngazi ukuthi njengoba ngisuka la kwiGagasi manje li-commercial radio uthi ngiyolalela le station esilandelayo siyi-community kubalekile but akubalekile ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi it's a must ukuthi into ekumele uyazi but mawukuthi ufuna ukuthi kube khona into ozoyikhuluma ngalama radio stations omabili melwenze sure ukuthi you get your facts straight.
Earlier on this year there was a huge noise around Amaholo especially that was sparked by Upheni Ntuli kwiGagasi FM okay then people started mocking iVuma FM and said if kwiGagasi kuholwa le mali kusho ukuthi kwiVuma FM kuholwa ama spookies why do you think people bacabanga kanjalo
I think ngoba omabili lama radio ama commercial and ngokubuka nje iGagasi lona engathi ukuthi likhule kakhulu kuneVuma so bayitshela ukuthi meyabe kulekha kwiVuma FM I mean kwiGagasi kuzolekha kakhulu ngapha kwiVuma FM.
But umlaleli wazi kanjani ukuthi lo funding abungcono kunalo financially because yena mevula iradio uzwa abasakazi besakaza. So as umlaleli, an ordinary listener, how am I supposed to know ukuthi lo ungcono kunalo? What would make me know that?
Oh. Hayi, angazi.
Bizodobeka. No, I get you. So
The point that I'm trying to drive at, guys, I'm not trying to put you in a corner. The point that I'm trying to drive at is ukuthi the outputs abalaleli abayitholayo. It's not about ukuthi we commercial noma we the output abayitholayo ne quality abayitholayo yenza bona abalaleli basibeke leso station kwizinga elithile bona. We understand ukuthi iVuma more profitable or less profitable than iGagas thina njengoba sihleli la sikwazi lo because aswazi
we are making assumptions.
So we will be just making assumptions. But umlaleli shuthi yena melalele elaleli quality ayizwayo everything yena ngokwakhe laba bangenhla laba bangenzansi. So that is why yena ethi surely osebenza kwiGagas is earning better than osebenza kwiVuma.
No, I think that's a fair point. That's a fair point. But just to go back to Umatifana and to his defense, my thinking where I want to say there should be where the difference in most cases is in terms of the content. There should be difference. And umlaleli, this is where I want. I'd like umlaleli ukuthi mangabelalele i-radio. Abe nama expectations. Ukuthi mabengilalele iGagas, for instance, ngilindele, content that is commercial. What is commercial content? It's music, it's advertisement, it's competitions. That's the type of content that I'm expecting. And then if I'm listening to a radio station like Inanda FM, I'm expecting to hear some stories about Enanda, Entuzu, ukuthi kwenzakalani eduze kwami. So in terms of the content, there needs to be that difference. Yes, the quality might be the same of delivery, but the content that you dish out definitely has to be different. And mabengilalele i-stations fana njengoKhozi FM okuyi-PBS esibhekelele umphakathi. Inzuzo, yes, kubalulekile ukuthi bayenze, but it's not their number one priority. Their number one priority ukwenza sure ukuthi umphakathi ubhekelelekile. So in terms of the content that I'm expecting is educational. Saziswa kanjani ngokuvota, siphume kuvoteni. Saziswa kanjani ngokuvota ngezinto 8 into phakathi inyanga yamadoda njengamanje. Makuthi will air this in July. Saziswa kanjani ngokuthi njengoba nje kuyinyanga yamadoda yini ebalekile emadodeni ukuthi ayenze. Yes, lokho kungaba khona naseGagasini, kungaba khona na kwinanda FM. So I'm using these radio stations as representations of the categories they fall under. I'm not necessarily talking about them, but it won't be at the same level. I'm expecting that talk, educational, to be more on Ukhozi FM, and I think that is important. Uma ngabe ukuthi umlaleli uvule radio station, ukuthi abe nalo expectation ukuthi angeke ngithi ngilalele Inanda bese ngilokhu ngitshelwa ukuthi kwenzakalani eLimpopo. If ukuthi ngilalela Inanda ngitshelwa ngezinto ezenzeka eLimpopo nase Cape Town, there's something wrong. So I think that is important. But also the last point, you spoke about abantu abakhomenta ku social media. You mentioned the social media pages emsakazo. Abakhomenta khona kakhulu. I get your frustration there, because ukuze umuntu engena athi hey yabona njena usibanibani ufakwe ebusuku okhosini indaba angavela ahambe aye kwinanda bangafika bamnikeze ibreakfast. Do you understand the difference? Ukuthi lo muntu usokhosini uthi akahambe aye kwinanda ngoba nakho uzokwenza i-breakfast. But it's not only about the slots, it's also about the category what you give. Makubuthi ukuthi akasokhosini aye kumhlobo wenene, maybe besingakhuluma, but it's completely different what you are saying. So it exposes your ignorance as umlaleli. You are commenting about something that you should well, you should be commenting about, but that you are not informed about.
Yeah.
First, find information before you make a comment, as opposed to just making an ill-informed or misinformed comment.
Yes.
But ngumlaleli nje guys, angiyona radio expert.
Yeah, so don't make that comment.
So mina lo msakazi ngimuzwa material ye breakfast. So yes, ngimuzwa material ye breakfast kuKhozi. Kodwa ngoba manje ngiyabona ukuthi bamzima, sengifisa vele aye kwinanda FM because ngiyamuzwa ukuthi material ye breakfast. So why fanele mina ngicabange njengomuntu oanalyzayo? Why kumele ngianalyze? I'm just a listener.
Before you make any comment, find some facts about what you're about to say before you embarrass yourself.
I'm just a listener.
Yeah, so don't make that comment. Just I don't know. I just feel like if we go to find something in public, as much as I mean, we've seen people in Ntokozo who you and I started a podcast, and people thought we are making ourselves analysts.
Yeah.
And our argument was, no, we are commenting on the radio. We have a right to comment. We can comment. Doesn't mean what we say is the gospel truth.
Mm-hmm.
But before we comment, we find out more about what we will be talking about. Luckily, we are talking about radio, something that we love. So there's not much research that we have to do because it's something that we know, that we've studied over years. So then my thing is, if you're going to deposit a comment in public that where you expect people to engage with, let me be based on facts and on something fethu. Ngizongena ngithini mina manje mangabe usuthi usibanibani akhishwe ebusuku ayokhomenta ayovela kwena.
Nizogcina senethi abasakazi aba-understand asethi abasakazi ama-listeners awa-understand ama-LSM ukuthi le-radio station i-target u-LSM bani kuya-LSM bani. Mina ngumlaleli lo msakazi ngiyamthanda, ngimuzwa umfanele u-9 to 12 uyazibeka, sengiyasuggest ukuthi yini ungakozama laphana ngoba manje ngiyalizwa ithalente lakho kodwa bakufaki kule show ngithandayo. I'm talking as a listener.
Defend abalaleli bakho. So asiyekele kumlalela asitshela ukuthi we talking nonsense or lento esishoyo inalo some sort of truth, because some of them maybe that are watching now, they've made those comments on social media.
Yeah.
What else I could say as we approach the end?
Iloko go 3 kade ngithanda sikucheck namhlanje when it comes to radio.
Sure.
Nokuthi ke sihloniphe radio nje. Thina abantu abayisebenzelayo sazi ukuthi awukazwa kwamkhulu kune radio isebenzelayo. So iyohlezi inkulu kunawe wena osebenzela yona, as much as noma ungaba yi brand enkulu kangakanani but ungayiboni umkhulu kunomsakazo osebenzelayo.
Sebekhishe kahle lapho kwintokozo FM.
Would you are a sub brand within a bigger brand?
Enza sure ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi banako ukuthi mhlambe baphushwa yipassion, but ipassion ayikona. Passion ayiqhube phambili, but abantu mabe bekubona babone ukuthi awumsakazi ngempela yabo. Ungathi masuvele ebantwini basho bathi uthi yena nje.
But amanye ama-community radio awaholeli, so izongondla kanjani passion? Niyahola nina kwintokozo?
Ngiyahola mina.
Okay.
Noma kuthiwa awakholeli but ungakwazi ukuzenzela imali kwi-radio.
How? No, help the guys who are watching you. How?
Okay, sorry.
How?
Ngokuzitholela abantu ofuna ukusebenzisana nabo kwi-radio, ama-sponsors, abantu abazo-advertise kwi-stage, uyikhiphe busy yabo.
But is it that easy to do that? Is it easy ukwazi ukuthi uyo approach companies to come and be part of your show? Remember something. Sales is not for everybody.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So awukwazi uku-expecta noma ubani osakaza kulesi stage ukuthi uzokwazi uku-approach uVodacom, akwazi uku-approach uCoca-Cola, akwazi uku-approach uMTN for that matter. That is why kuba ne-sales team in the radio station. Ekufani ngabi yapho. Even if you can go to commercial, uye kwigagasi uye kwi-702 kunabantu abadila no sales. Kunomsakazi nje umsebenzi wakhe ukusakaza. Mawungamnikeza ithuba uthi akahambe manje ayodayisa lesi stage with the numbers i-stages now. Ngeke azabuye ne-deal. So that is why I'm asking you ukuthi is it that simple yini ukwazi ukunxenxa abantu ukuthi bazo-investa kwi-show yakho?
Akukho simple and ngathi kuyadependa nanokuthi abantu bakwazi kangakanani bakwazelana nanokuthi wena ba-approacha kanjani. Because as for me, nanje akaze wanginika inkinga. So I believe it.
But you are one in many. I want us to be fair on this point. No, we have to. You are one in many. Ukuthi wena unaso skill sokunegotiate. It doesn't mean ukuthi wonke umuntu owenza i-drive kwi-community radio une-skill sokunegotiate. Angaba nama-numbers athandwa abantu. But ukudayisa stage akona angithi ngakho kunamama uqashwa kunalento ekuthiwa ama-core kuthiwa yini shonto core functions. Right.
Okay.
Right. Roles and responsibilities. Unikezwe ishow ukuthi thrive fanele uyinyuse ngama numbers. You have been able to do that. You have delivered. They should be using your show to sell the station and using your image to sell the show. They should have a strong team to do that. But mangabe manje ku-expecteke ukuthi wena ziphumele uyokhuluma ney'nkampani lapha ne-mega city. It might not be easy. It can be easy for udlala. Njoba ngisho ukuthi wena you might be skilled in that, but it's not every presenter who can do it.
Yes. Sengisho noma ngathiwa usenze kanjalo, but sihlala upopular to a point whereby abantu they can be able to book you. For instance, njoba dosho ukuthi I'm one in many. I'm a DJ. I'm not an MC. Ngoba ngikholwa ukuthi ngakwazi phapha phambi kwabantu. So I decided ukuthi nje ngibe u-DJ kuphela. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukuzwakala kwentokozo FM nabo kune-impact ukuthi abantu basemlazi bangibook. Yabo because kwamanye ama-provinces nationwide ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukhozi olungisizayo i-Radio 2000, Capricorn FM, YFM, Gagas, wonke lama radio stations engizwakala kuona.
So ama-stations odlala kuwona nama-mix wasubmitha khona.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kona mina okungisizayo ukuthi ngithi ngeke-radio ngiphushe i-passion but ngiyisebenzise i-radio ukuthi nayo ingisebenzele. Yabo? Because abantu bayazi ukuthi ngu-DJ kwintokozo FM. Ngenhlanhla bakhona abantu aba-around umlazi abangibhukhayo ukuthi ngiyodlala. And mengabe ngibhukhwa yilabo bantu ngiyazi ukuthi bangizwephi. Yabo angibuza kunanazi ngiyazi ukuthi bangizwephi. Intokozo. Mawukuthi bedlala imix yami mhlambe kwi-drive eGagas ngoLesithathu. Thursday ngathola i-booking. Ngiyazi ukuthi labo bantu labo bangithole kwiGagas. Njoba nje kade ngiseNorthern Cape kahanjiswa i-Radio 2000. Yabo, so ngiyazi ukuthi igig negig engiyithola ngiyazi ukuthi asiyisiteshi esenginikezela.
Sure. So I think just to summarize your point, because I agree with Ntokozo, it's not everyone is for sale, and also mangashwelana as umsakazi, it should be enough ukuthi I'm doing a show and I'm doing a decent job and I'm bringing in numbers.
Yes.
Then there should be a team that is using those numbers that I'm bringing in to sell the station and the show to generate revenue. So I'm agreeing with Ntokozo. But to agree with you as well, kumuntu obukela njengamanje one-passion yokusakaza. Ukungena uzosakaza kuphela might not be enough. So maybe you need to do some introspection to say, what else can I do within the industry? Ukuzama ukugenerate income ngoba ngiyayithanda phela i-radio. So makuthi ngizokwazi ukudlala kubo DJ njengoba u-DJ badlala angenze lokho. Uma bekuwukuthi angikwazi ukudlala but ngiyakwazi kubo MC njengoNtokozo, akube khona lokho engikwenza kuba MC. Ngibe voice over artist, yes. So akube khona okunye within the industry nokuzokusiza i-profile yami ukuthi ikhule engizokuphusha. So that's a fair point. I think everyone okwi-radio, especially kwi-community radio, kubalulekile ukuthi ayicabange such things. Angacabangi nje ukusakaza ukuthi mina ngikufunayo ukuba umsakazi and that's it.
Ngoba uzophela no 8 years umsakazi.
Exactly. 100% engaholi engenzi ngisho in a cent.
Is there anything wrong dlala for umsakazi onalo lelo thuba mhlawumbe let's say ongena ngeweekend kuphela noma ongena ebusuku to have another job awusebenza umholela? Is there anything wrong with that?
No,
there's nothing wrong.
There's nothing wrong.
That is outside of media.
Yeah.
That's a fair
point. There's nothing wrong.
There's nothing wrong.
Okay. Bengifuna ukuzwa ngomsakazi ukuthi ikhona into wrong ngokwenza kanjalo. Okay.
Matifana, we're hopelessly out of time. We are way over the time that we had set aside for this episode. But before we go, you also have a show that you do on YouTube.
Yeah, I do have.
What is it about? What's going on there?
It's all about umjolo. So ngudokotela womjolo lapha ku YouTube. Ngilungisa umjolo, inkinga ezenzeka emjolweni. Yonke lonto leyo.
So mawuthi inkinga ezenzeka emjolweni mhlambe nje awenze example ngeke mhlambe nami sinomuntu wami sifike sizolungisa. Why ungihleka bese?
Mekuthi
this guy
for instance mhlambe mekuthi unenkinga nomuntu wakho mhlambe umuntu ophuzayo ngama weekend.
Okay.
And usekhathi mhlambe usekwazi ukukhuluma nawe wangamuzwa. Then masethi I know uthi tshela uMatifana ngilungisele lento. Then mase ngiyanilanda noyithu nomuntu wakho ngimhlalise nixazulule inkinga yenu. Uma kuukuthi ayilonke inkinga yenu mhlambe siyandlulisela kwabanye sinenzele mewuthi i-counseling sindlulise kubantu abazokwenza i-counseling but ekugcineni kumele kube khona isixazululo ilonke inkinga yenu. Mawukuthi akhambi kahle ekamereni ngikhona ngilungisa zonke lezi zinto.
So angithi mhlawumbe wena samncane mhlawumbe uyazilethe emunetheme kuthiwa ukubeka isandla nje. Shothi mangabe umama enenkinga nje ukuthi ubaba usevela abeka isandla ukuze uwuse.
Yes.
Abe umama esathi uyanyakaza. Yabo. Singeza lapha kuwena.
You're welcome. More than welcome to come.
Okay. Ibizwa ngokuthini show?
It's a umjolo show on YouTube. Ikhona channel ebizwa ukuthi umjolo show. But igama le show silungisa umjolo.
Silungisa umjolo.
And you big numbers there. You need to tell us how to do those numbers.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Umjolo show. Ngathi ngizoyithanda le.
Uyaya uthe ufuna ukubona ukuthi uzoya.
No, ezinye izinto phela zi confidential bengisa inquiry.
Yeah.
So senongibona khona.
Yeah.
Cool. No, man, thank you so much for coming through, I could say. Socials, utholala kanjani, abantu abafuna ukubhuka kanjani?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nibe nami namhlanje la ku-PRS. I'm on Intokozo FM weekdays 3 to 6. Phinde on socials dlala Matifana one way kubona wonke. Abafuna ukungibhuka dlala matifana@gmail.com noma basebenzisa inamba yami ikhona kwi-profile yami. So bazongibona and I'm a good DJ. I'm the next big thing in KZN.
I know that you are a good DJ because I've always been listening to your mix. Uzosifundisa nathi ukudlala.
Yes, that's so good. I gotta say that. Yeah, it's been a good one. I really enjoyed this episode. Thanks, Matifana. I think we haven't had an episode like this where we just talk pure radio, different things about radio. Because in most cases, we interview people about them and what they've done.
And we argue in the process.
And with you, we took a different approach where we thought, you know what, let's just talk about radio.
Yes.
So it was beautiful. I know that he's one of people that love our show because you share your status, on your Facebook.
Yes.
And we know that you love radio as well. That's why we wanted to hear your thoughts when it comes to radio. I'm sure baning about enjoyile makayo gozo to kabanga radio.
Definitely. Seval.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It's podcast radio and stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Let's catch up again next time. When you decide to watch podcast radio and stuff, please do subscribe, share, like, tell everybody that it's PRS.
South Africa's next biggest podcast.